Hello folks.
Hi.
Welcome to another Lifestyle with Ivan. Today I'm here with my grandson Jaden.
Hi guys.
And he is going to bake an apple cake today.
Yeah.
His grandma will be telling him what to do. And I'm going to step out the way and watch him work. So y'all enjoy baking today with Jaden.
Yeah, I'm going to do it myself. Alright guys, so today we're going to be cooking with some cake mix, 3 eggs, some cooking oil, and some cooked apples, brown sugar, coconut oil, and the icing for when we're done, and a cup of water, and orange extract, and vanilla.
Yeah.
Alright guys, and now we're gonna put the cake mix in, all of it, and then we're gonna put the 3 eggs, and the oil, and then the water, and then mix it. And this is some vanilla extract with some orange extract, and you're gonna pour it in with the cake mix, and then whisk it around again. And now we're gonna spray the pan with some coconut oil. And my grandma set the oven to 350 degrees. And now we're gonna pour the cake mix into the pan.
Come over some more. Stop.
Now I'm gonna put the apples in the cake. And now we're gonna put the brown sugar in the cake mix.
On top.
On top. All over the cake. And we just put the cake in the oven for 30 minutes, and we're gonna come back when the cake is done. And alright, so the cake is done baking. Now we're gonna put the icing on top.
Well folks, here's the finished product. My grandson actually baked an apple cake. And on the side of his apple cake and my apple cake we got some ice cream.
Yeah, it's a pecan ice cream.
Yes, apple cake my grandson baked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That tastes like kiss me in the morning and just walk away.
This is delicious.
My boy do that. Again, we thank you for joining us again with another Lifestyle with Ivan. And until we meet again, me and my grandboy, my only grandboy, my big grandboy, we going. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.